Hello everyone, welcome to Talk Mathematics. So today we are doing exercise 1.1 from chapter sets of class 11 NCERT. So the first question is, which of the following are sets, and justify your answer. So first part is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So we have done in a previous video the definition of set. A set is a well defined collection of objects, means by definition when we are writing a set, your answer and my answer and everybody's answer should match. So for doing first part, if we say the collection of all the months starting with the letter J, we will write with January, then February, March, April, May, June, then July, then August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so these three are the set, and my answer and your answer will definitely match. So first part is definitely a set. Let's come to second part. It says the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So for me, some of the writers would be different, and for you the writers could be different, right? So second part, the answer could vary from person to person. So second part is not a set. Third says a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So for me, the best cricket batsman could be some other persons, and for you, the set could be some other thing. So it is not well defined. The answer is varying from person to person. So this is not a set. Fourth is the collection of all the boys in your class. Yes, when you will write the names of all the boys of your class, and if I will write the names and the set would be same. So yes, it is well defined. Fifth part, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So we know that all natural numbers less than 100 will begin from 1, 2, 3 and so on, and your answer and my answer will definitely match. So yes, it is a set. Next is a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So the novels written by him would not vary from person to person. The novels would remain same. So yes, it is a well defined set. Seventh is the collection of all even integers. So even integers would remain the same. It will not change if you write or I write. So yes, it is a set. Eighth is the collection of questions in this chapter. So in this chapter the questions are definite and defined. So yes, it is a set. For ninth part, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. So one person could find a dog could be dangerous, and other person could say dog could not be dangerous. So there would be different answers for different persons. So its answer is no. Now we will be doing second question, which states that let A be this set and we have to insert an appropriate symbol this or this. We know that this symbol is for belongs to and this symbol is for does not belongs to. So if we could see a number in the set, we will write belongs to symbol, and if we cannot see that object or thing in the set, we will write does not belongs to. So 5 we can see here in the set A, so we will write belongs to. 8 we cannot see in the set, so we will write does not belongs to. 0 also we cannot see in the set A, so we will write does not belongs to. 4 we can see in the set, we will write belongs to. 2 also we can see in the set, belongs to. 10 is not in the set A, so we will write does not belongs to. Third question says that write the following sets in rooster form. So these all parts are in set builder form. We have to convert this in rooster form. So first part, A set is a set where x is an integer and x is between -3 and 7. So integer between -3 and 7, we know that we will start by writing -3 because we have an equality sign here. So -3, then -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 6. We will not write 7 here because we don't have an equality sign on 7. B part, x is a natural number less than 6. So we know that natural numbers begin from 1 and less than 6 we will go up to 5. We will not include 6 because it says less than 6. C part, x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So 2-digit where sum is 8, we will begin from writing 17 as 7 plus 1 gives us 8 and it's a 2-digit number. Then similarly we can write 26, 35, 44, 53, 62 and 71. So this is a set. Fourth part, x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So all the divisors of 60 we will write, but which are prime. So we will not write 1 here. We will begin from 2, 2, 3 and 5. We know that 6 is also a divisor of 60, but it is not a prime number. We have to satisfy both the conditions which are mentioned here. Fifth part, the set of all letters of the word trigonometry. So we will write by T, R, I, G, O, N. We have already written O, we will not repeat it now. So N, M, E and Y. Sixth part, letters of the word better. So we will write by B, E, T. T and E already we have written, we will not repeat it, and the last wouldn't be R. Now for the fourth question, we have write the following sets in the set builder form. So these all are the rooster forms. We have to create the set builder form for this. So let us start by first part. You have to see the pattern here. It says 3, 6, 9, 12. So for set builder form, begin by writing any variable x such that x is equals to, you can see this is 3 into 1, then 3 into 2, then 3 into 3 and 3 into 4. So this set contains the multiples of 3. So we will write x is a form of 3n, where n is a natural number, n belongs to natural number, and you can see this set goes up to 3 into 4. So n should be less than equal to 4. And natural numbers begin from 1 and it should be less than equal to 4. For second part, look at the pattern. It says 2, 4, 8, 16, then 32. You can see this is 2 times 2, this is 3 times 2, this is 4 times 2. So this set will be written as y such that y is equals to 2 raised to the power n, because this is 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3. It's like this, where again n belongs to natural number, and you can see this goes up to when 2 raised to power 5. So it will be, and n should be less than equal to 5. Third part, again it is 5, 25, then 125, then 625, then again it is in the powers of 5. It contains all those sets such that z is equals to 5 raised to power n, where n belongs to natural numbers, and this step stops when it is n 5 raised to the power 4. It stops at 4, so it will be n less than equal to 4. Then for fourth part, it says 2, 4, 6, like this. These are the even numbers, or you can say multiple of 2. So we will write by defining a variable like r. R is equals to 2 times n, where n belongs to natural numbers, and where it stops, it does not stop. It goes on and on. So we will not write the ending condition. Then last part, fifth, says 4, 1, 4, 9 and up to 100. So what means, this is 1 square, this is 2 square, then 3 square, like this. It goes like this, and up to 10 square. So we will write this set as s, suppose any variable, where s is equals to n square, where n belongs to natural number, and where we have to stop when n is less than equal to 10. So next up we have fifth question, which says that list all the elements of the set. A part is x is an odd natural number. So we know that natural numbers begin from 1, and 1 is odd also, and natural number also, then 1. Then next natural number which is odd also is 3, 5, like this 7, and where we have to stop, this set does not gives the condition for that. So this set will go on and on like this. For second part, look at here. X should be an integer, and x value should be between minus 1 by 2 and between 9 by 2. So we know that minus 1 by 2 will be minus 0.5 and 9 by 2 will be 4.5. So let us draw a number line here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the negative side as well, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So x integer value should be between minus 0.5, minus 0.5 will be something here, and plus 4.5 value will be something here. So we have to list the integers between this area. So you can see clearly the integers between this area are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, for third part it says that x is an integer and x square should be less than equal to 4. So for third part you can see x square should be less than equal to 4, which means x value should be less than equal to under root of 4, which is 2. So all those x values which are less than 2, and it should be an integer also. So less than 2 values and including 2. So it will be 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. Where we have to stop, it does not give the condition for this. So this set will be ongoing like this. For fourth part we have that X is a letter in the word loyal. So we have to list L, O, Y, A, and we will not write again L as we have written once. Fifth part is X should be a month of a year not having 31 days. So this set will be February, April, June, September and November. Sixth part is X should be a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. Precedes means it should come before K, and it should be a consonant as well. So we will begin by B. A is a vowel, we will not write here. Then B, C, D. E will not write because it is a consonant. F, G, H, J, and K also we will not write because it says it should come before K. So up to J. Sixth question is match the following. So we'll begin with A part. A part says that X should be a prime number and a divisor of 6. So for A part we have the divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now it says that it should be a prime number also. So from this 1 will get cut off because 1 is neither prime nor composite, and 6 is also composite, so 6 will also cut off. So we will get the set as 2 and 3. So this A part matches with the second part. B part says that X is an odd natural number less than 10. It should be odd and natural number as well. So this set will be 1, then 3, then 5, then 7 and 9. Odd also and natural number also. So B part matches with the fourth part. C part says that X should be a natural number and a divisor of 6. So all the divisor of 6 we know that these are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this matches with the first part. Last part is X is a letter of the word mathematics. So you have to state without repeating. It will be M, A, T, H, E. Again M is there but we have already written it, so we won't repeat it. Then I, then C and S. Repetition is not allowed. So this matches with the third part. So that's all for the exercise 1 of NCERT.